Hello and welcome. We are joined by Maharashtra's Environment Minister for a very special interaction on the state of the environment really. You have been recently mentioned and quoted as talking about the river pollution and the state of the river pollution in Maharashtra. So if I were to ask you, how can we tackle river pollution as well as overall pollution concerns, what would you say?
See, Maharashtra is a industrial state. Every industry's first choice is Maharashtra. So naturally, we have a lot of industrialization, and in the past, it was not seen that sensitively environment point of view. It was it has become evident these days when climate change is globally discussed subject. So environment and pollution are very important subjects right now, people and youth of this India discussing. So majority of the rivers in the country, we are trying to rejuvenate. Namami Gange is one of the biggest project national level they are handling. In Maharashtra, we are coming up with a river rejuvenation plan where we are going to rejuvenate most polluted rivers first, then moderately polluted rivers, and then overall rivers. We are going to take care how they don't get polluted. There's a lot of industries like sugar industries there, textile industries there, steel industries there. So all these industries, their chemicals, even most of the fertilizers, when they dissolve in water, they become very poisonous, and that whole water goes in the rivers. So working majorly on river rejuvenation.
Right, right. So that remains a key concern. As far as infrastructure is concerned, I'm seeing in Mumbai and in Maharashtra, there is this massive infrastructure push. Now, how do we balance that growth with a sustainable environment? Your thoughts?
Sustainability of everything is very important in coming future, right now in present also. So any project we are handling, we have to make it sustainable. We have to make it environment friendly. Environment we have abused enough in the past. Now we reversing that is very difficult. So we have to slow down the effects, negative effects, and slowly reach somewhere. So there is lot of pollution happening where we will come up with new norms, new technologies, but there is already pollution in the system, in the air, in water, in the soil. To reduce that also we'll have to work mechanically, technologically, and we are working, we are making goals, short-term goals, mid-term goals and long-term goals. So low-hanging fruits will touch upon first, and we'll work on reducing pollution for mankind first, and then second we'll think about totally diminishing that, totally finishing that, what we use technology-wise. That's how.
Right. All right. Now, the world has recently witnessed the Maharashtra FDA crackdown. We at Times Now Digital have been running this campaign on e-commerce players and quick commerce players, and how critical it is to keep consumers informed and mention manufacturing dates and expiry dates. Right. So, your thoughts on that and the need of the hour as far as transparency is concerned?
Of the hour for our whole nation is overall concern. We do not really respect our own selves. We do not respect our life. First, we have to respect our life. We have. That's why we'll respect. If we have a clean air to breathe, we'll have a clean drinking water. We'll have best products which we are consuming without any chemical introduced in them. So that's why we have to first respect us, human life, and then we come up with a lot of things. So we do take things very casually about our health, what we consume. Everybody says, oh, Indian stomach is the toughmost stomach, we can digest anything. This is true, we can digest anything, but doesn't mean we should. So we should be very concerned about our products we are consuming, their expiry date, their manufacturing date, and all the norms should be very strict.
Absolutely. And lastly, ma'am, the 2 to 3 growth areas or focus areas for Maharashtra in the next 5 years that we all should be working on and should have the spotlight on.
I think technology, where we are working on, then we are working on infrastructure, sustainable infrastructure, and 100% we have to work on waste management, solid, liquid, medical, hazardous, everything.
Right. Well, thank you so much for this exclusive interaction and for sharing your thoughts. Thank you for this insightful interaction.